Taking 3 seconds for safety could determine whether you're going home at the end of the day or not, whether it be your coworker, the public, or even yourself. 3 seconds doesn't seem like a lot of time, but it can change the future.
Lorsque la santé et sécurité sont mises en œuvre, que les travailleurs sont bien formés, qu'ils possèdent les équipements et les outils nécessaires pour effectuer leur travail, il est plus facile de travailler en sécurité tout en demeurant productif. La sécurité, c'est l'affaire de tous. Alors, s'il vous plaît, continuons à veiller les uns sur les autres.
I asked myself why I take 3 seconds for safety. 2 things came to my mind. First, my family. I want to go home safe to them every day, to my kids and my husband. Second, my employees. I want the employees at the quarry to feel safe every time they come to work. So every risk assessment, every tailgate, every site inspection is for them. I want them to truly believe that we're taking all the steps to keep them safe.